Hi, I'm Yolmer from UAVlog. Welcome to this video tutorial. On this tutorial, I'll show you how to manage your credit. To the question if UAVlog is a free tool, we have to say no. Down here on our website you can read that we only charge a small amount per one credit per one flight to store your flight in our database. But you can also read here as a welcome gift that the first 100 flights in the form of 100 credits are free of charge. So you'll be able to store the first 100 drone flights free of any costs. I think that's a pretty sweet deal, don't you think? When you run out of credits, you risk the situation where you're not able to store any new flights in your flight log. Go to Account and Settings to check what your current credit balance is at the moment. In this particular example, having 96 credits left in my account means that you're able to store 96 new flights to your account. The already existing flights in your flight log will remain, even without 0 credits. Once you've stored flights, the flights will always remain yours. We only charge 1 credit if you store a new flight in your flight log. And when you're out of credits, you can simply add new credits by clicking here on this link. But also when you go back, use this button, Manage Credit. When you click on Manage Credit, you'll see an overview of your current balance. And here you can select the amount of credits you want to add to your account, like 50 or 100. You can simply click on Buy 100 credits for $19.95, which will lead you to our payment service. It's called Molly Payment in Europe. You can buy credits using Ideal, which is a pretty common service here in the Netherlands, but also use your credit card or PayPal. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful and interesting, but if you still have questions about UAVlog, then don't hesitate to contact us via the website or on social media. Thanks for watching and until next time.